Okay, so right now in the current organizations we are just following agile methodology. Okay, 99% the things are like 99% we are working in agile methodology only, but some companies are still following waterfall. Okay, Manoj, they are not following agile. Yes, they do follow agile, but some projects they are still following waterfall methodology. Okay, right. Today we are going to talk about agile methodology, guys. So, what is agile? Okay, simple. Agile methodology is a continuous flow, guys. Okay, agile methodology is a continuous flow. Okay, can anyone add some other, guys? Do if you have any idea, can anyone add few more steps?
Steps in the sense in
Agile is
agile
a
or
One second, one second.
iterative process.
Sorry, it is a
Iterative,
yes, iterative process. It's not iterative, it's iterative.
iterative. Okay.
Yes, it is a iterative process. Okay, any other?
Hmm.
Can I?
Ready to
Yes, sir.
change. Sorry.
Yeah. It's a iterative and incremental methodology where a process where we are going to deliver customer a piece of working project in each
No, no, no. I
iteration.
don't want definition. I can say the definition. I
Okay.
don't want definition. I want the
It's
steps.
a incremental.
Yes, it is an incremental and incremental process. Right? Any other? It is a project
Management.
management framework. Right? Any other?
Customer feedback um,
Don't see Google.
throughout
Okay?
the
Don't see Google. Okay? Customer feedbacks. That is not agile method, and that is not a step also. Okay? Customer feedbacks we are going to get at the end of the project. Okay?
We can call it flexible
Yes,
or
it is a
just ready
flexible.
to change.
Yes, it is a flexible. It is a flexible process. Right. So, management. Right. So, see here. What is agile methodology? Okay. Simple, guys. Nothing to worry. No need to read all the definition, guys. Simple. Okay. Why I am teaching like this is, if you know these things, you can easily understand the definition. Okay. Agile methodology is a continuous flow. Okay. What is meant by continuous flow? Okay. Whenever you start the project, okay, you no need to check back. Okay, that means what we are using here, here also we are using same 6 phases, that is called as SDLC. Right, in SDLC only, right, we are working in 6 phases. By based upon the SDLC we are working in waterfall also. Right, here also in agile methodology, based upon this SDLC we are working in agile methodology. But Manoj, are we going back here? Yes, we are going back. Okay, but it is not a continuous flow, right? It might not be a continuous flow, but we are encouraging the changes here. Okay, previously we haven't accepted any changes, guys, in waterfall methodology, right? So but in agile methodology we are encouraging the changes. Why, Manoj? Why we are encouraging the changes? Simple, guys. If you do the changes, okay, if you do some changes, we might get the product might get a lot of additional features. That's why we are looking back. And what is the major difference between Agile and Waterfall, Manoj? Yes, simple guys. In Waterfall methodology, we are delivering the project at the end on. But in Agile methodology, we are delivering the project before only, guys. Okay, just consider 2 years are there. We have a 2 years of agreement to deliver the project of Agile methodology. But what we are doing, we are delivering project before 1 year on. How we are delivering, Manoj? The project needs to be completed in 2 years, but how we are going to complete the items, all the user stories, or all the tickets, or all the requirements before 1 year on. So there are lots of techniques are there, and agile methodology, by using these techniques, we managed to get a lot of customers. So that's why agile methodology has become very popular. Okay, and what is meant by iterative process, Manoj? Iterative or iterative, both are same, guys. Okay, some people will call us iterative, some people will call us iterative. No problem in that. Okay, it is a iterative process. That means iterative in the sense, just consider. Okay, today morning you have taken breakfast, right? After that, at 7 a.m., just consider 7 a.m., you have taken the breakfast. And at 11 a.m., you have taken some snack, just a fruit. Okay. And so why I am giving this is, so you are just consider you are a gym freak. Okay. Workout freak. Okay. So that's the reason you are following these steps. What about the other thing? At around 2 p.m., you will have lunch, right? At around 5 p.m., you will have pre-workout meal. Okay, at 7 p.m. or 7:30 p.m., what you will have, guys? Post-workout meal. Right? At around 10 p.m., you will have dinner. Right? This is your schedule. Now the day has been completed. Coming to the next day, are you going to follow the same steps, or are you going to follow the different steps? Akash?
Different.
Different. How?
Same. Something.
Who said different?
No, Hari, this is Hari.
Yeah, okay. Yes, sir. How it will be different? Can you explain me?
Okay, see, 7 o'clock I'll have breakfast, 11 o'clock I'll have a fruit break, 2 p.m. lunch, 5 p.m. I can have a tea break.
Okay. Yes. And 7:30 p.m. you have a just consider you are not doing gym. Okay. You straight away
Okay.
you'll go to dinner. Right? At
I can
around,
have dinner at 7:30 also, right?
yeah, you can have the dinner at 7:30 also. Right?
Yes.
And your day was completed. Tomorrow you are going to have the same time, right?
Ha.
So that is the thing. That is called iterative. Every day, what you are doing, you are going to repeat the same thing. Right? Manoj,
Okay.
I will have the breakfast at 7:30 a.m. No problem. I'm not saying that at 7 a.m. only you have to do the breakfast. No, it's not like that, but repeating, right? It is going to repeat it. That is called iterative. Okay, what I have given you, this is my schedule. Okay, I'm preparing my schedule like this. Okay,
Okay.
now I'm saying that if you are, I want to ask you your schedule. What you will say, Manoj, I will have a breakfast at 8 a.m. Okay, at 11 a.m. I will have a fruit. At 2 p.m. I have a lunch. I don't have a pre-workout meal. Right, I don't go to gym. Okay, right, in that 4 p.m. or 4:30 p.m. you will have a tea or coffee. Right, at 7:30 or 8 p.m. I will straight away go to dinner. Right, and
Okay.
tomorrow also you are going to follow the same steps, right?
Yes.
So that is called iterative process. That means in agile methodology, we are having different frameworks, guys. Okay, we are having different types of frameworks. I will explain all those frameworks. No need to worry about it. But we are not using all those frameworks, guys. Okay,
Okay.
right. So by using that Scrum framework, we are using Scrum framework, guys. By using the Scrum framework, we are following the iterative process and
Okay.
increment.
Manoj,
Yeah.
one question.
Yes.
Uh, you said that you will provide all the framework. So, coming to the interview perspective, is it required to learn all those frameworks?
No need, guys. Those are all outdated.
Okay.
Okay, those are all are outdated because I also don't know all those things.
Okay, fine.
I know only two or three. That's it. Okay.
Okay.
At the starting, just consider 2001 or 2002. Whenever the agile methodology, yeah, guys, please mute yourself. Whenever the agile methodology has been introduced, at that time, what the agile methodology has done, the agile methodology has introduced 10 frameworks. Okay. Or else, I will give you another example. So you guys know about the protein powders, right? Hello.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Nozzle glaze, protein isolate. Okay. See here. You just ordered this. There is the flavors. Okay. You see here. Okay. How many flavors are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. In that 5 flavors, whatever you like it, you are going to order it. Right or not? Hello.
Yes, yes.
Just consider this is not the thing. This is biozyme. Right. Let me keep this one. Where is my order? Give me a second, guys. Let me show you my order. Let me show you my order so that you will get to know 5, 6, 4, 9, 1, 2. Okay. This. Okay. So what is this performance we are not ordered? Okay. If you can see here, so what I have ordered, French vanilla cream I have ordered. Right, guys? I have ordered French vanilla tea. See here, just consider these flavors. Okay, guys? All these flavors are frameworks, agile frameworks. Guys, are you getting me?
Yes.
Yes. Just consider this is Scrum framework. This is Kanban. This is APF. This is adaptive. Okay. This is TTD. This is FDD. Right. These are different types of frameworks are there. But what are all the effective frameworks are there? Just they are testing. Okay. In that effectiveness, we have chosen some framework that is called a Scrum framework. Apart from all the frameworks, right? That means this French vanilla cream is a different flavor. Magical mango is different framework. Sorry, different flavor. Kesar is different framework. Chocolate is different framework. Sorry, different taste. Am I right or wrong? Based upon this taste, what you are doing, guys? You are going to get different tastes, right? You are going to habituate the taste. Am I right or wrong? Hello.
Yes.
Yes. Now here also what you are doing in IT industry, you are using different types of frameworks. In that frameworks, what is the effective framework? You are using it. Right? Now the companies has taken almost all the frameworks at a time. Okay? They are working on different types of frameworks. But what they have get to know is Scrum framework. We can if we use the Scrum framework, we can easily manage the things. Okay. That's why what they have done is they have used this Scrum framework. Okay, guys, understood? Any doubts?
Clear.
Yes. Akash, what about you? Akash,
Yes, Manoj.
cleared? Any doubts?
Yeah, it's clear. It's clear.
Yes, because why I'm asking is because this is the initial step. Okay, if you don't understand, you can't able to survive in agile methods. That's why I'm giving a spoon feeding here. Okay, Kiran, Kanchan.
Yes, Manoj.
Yes.
So, so this is the agile framework is the trending on, or we can say it's the majority uh, is used in software
Yes,
development industry, right?
yes. In software development, 100 percentage right now in current market 2025. Okay, 2026. Okay, right now in current market, 100 percentages of companies are using agile methodology only. There is no waterfall methodology. Okay, Akash,
Yeah.
mark my words. Okay,
Yeah.
straight away you can say this word in the interview also. No problem with it. Okay. Now the people are initially transforming to safe. In 5 to 6 years, completely we are going into the safe, guys.
Okay.
Okay, we are
Same
using
is
safe.
a scaled agile framework, right?
Yes, scaled agile framework. I'm a safe certified 6.0. I'm a safe. I mean certified safe. Okay, 6.0. But in my organizations, we are not using completely safe, guys. Okay, we are not using completely safe. Why? Because we haven't transformed into safe completely. Just 5% we are using. That's it. That means if we have a large projects, we are using PI plannings, somewhat SOS calls. That's it. Okay.
So safe is basically used for the large team, right?
Yes,
Uh,
very large teams.
okay.
Yes, that is for very large teams. Okay. Right. Coming to the
And what about Kanban?
Kanban is for very small teams, guys.
Okay.
Yeah.
Small
I
than
think
Scrum.
Kanban is used uh, uh, for that visualization purpose, or I can say it's a one kind of board which is used to display something, right? So if
No, no,
suppose that just like in every office there is some stock price is mentioned over the board.
no. You are totally wrong. See,
Okay.
just consider what is Amazon. Let me show
What?
you the difference. No. Amazon is a very big website, right?
Hmm. Hmm.
How I said, Amazon is a very big website. The reason behind is it is worldwide, okay,
Yeah. Yeah.
and some millions of customers are there, okay,
Right.
millions of customers. So now we are considering Amazon. It is a very big project based upon what the millions of customers. Okay, anyone knows about the three-tier architecture, guys?
Which one?
Three-tier architecture.
No, I don't know.
Yes, Hari.
No, no, Manoj.
Okay, Kanchan.
No, I don't have any.
Okay. See, the three-tier architecture is simple. You don't need to understand. I will give you a small example for it because you will get to know what is a big website and what is a small website. Okay. Let
Okay.
me show you these two websites so that you will get to know. If I ask you, just consider these two. In stock, there are only 22 items are there. Okay. This is a project. There are only 22 items are there.
Uh-huh.
Just consider Amazon. Guys, mute yourself. Okay, just consider Amazon. In Amazon, we are having more than 1 lakh of products are there. Now, if I
Uh-huh.
ask you which is the biggest website and which is the smallest website,
Amazon is the biggest one, and the other one is
how can you say?
due
How can you say
to
that?
the stock availability.
Okay. Now, just consider for Amazon, there are only 10 customers are there. For this website, we are having some crores of, just consider 10 million people are there. Which is the biggest website now?
The situation has
Best seller based on customers.
Yes, the website is different, guys. Whatever you keep, that is from the database you are getting. Okay, but whatever the people are purchasing, that is called the biggest website. How, Manoj? The people are, if you want to do this, we have to learn three-tier architecture. You no need to learn three-tier architecture, guys. The three-tier architecture will be there. Okay, that means okay, it will take a lot of time. I will show you in the diagram, so that within 2 to 3 minutes I will come. Three-tier architecture. Okay, let me show you this. Okay, starting over the map. See here. What is this, guys? Now you are using mobile phone, right? Now you are using mobile phone and you want to purchase some product. Okay. Now my laptop is a initial thing. In this three-tier, what I am using? The first one is called the mobile phone or a computer. Okay. You want to buy which one? You want to buy some mobile? Okay, OnePlus Nord 5. Okay. You want to buy this mobile. How you can buy this mobile? In between, you are having a server, guys. Server in the sense, just consider internet. Okay. You are having internet. Without internet, you can access the Amazon, guys.
No.
No, we can't access this. Now, you have a internet, and what you are doing by using this internet, you are purchasing this Nord 5. Okay. Now you click this, and what it is replying to you, and it is coming back. So initially, what you are doing, you are watching the, you are clicking on the server, and now the server is going to where database and asking this database to show the OnePlus Nord 5, and you clicked on that Nord 5. Now what is this database is doing? Now this database is reflecting back to the server. Hey server, I am going to show you. Please show this to the client. Okay, now you are watching on your mobile. Okay, that is called the three-tier architecture, guys. Okay, this is called the three-tier architecture. If you now, what is this? Why are you saying this three-tier architecture, Manoj? Now, you know GoDaddy. Anyone knows about this website? Hello.
Yeah,
I
you
have
explained in first
listened name,
class.
but
Sorry.
You explained this in first session. Website helps us, the customers,
Yes.
to register their domain.
Yes. Register their domain. Right. Now, just Amazon registered. How they registered? Initially, they registered with a small scale industry. After that, what they are doing based upon their customers, right or wrong? Based upon their customers, they are increasing their packages, right? We are going to have a lot of traffic in between. That means straight away 1 million people are trying to purchase the products, right? But if you initial days, whenever we got the internet, if you try to browse something, what we are going to have, guys? We are going to have a lot of time to buffer. There is going to be a buffer, right? We are going to have a lot of buffer. That means
Yes.
at the initial times, this GoDaddy, all these things we don't have. The server providers are not there for us. Now we are having server providers. What these server providers are doing? They are like a mediator to our website. Okay. Now just consider 1 million people are watching this. If I click on this, straight away I will get the mobile phone. The reason behind is this Amazon is paying to GoDaddy so that I don't want any traffic disturbances. That means if 1 million people or 2 million people or 10 million people straight away open my website, and if they want to purchase something, they should not get any traffic disturbances. Okay. Now, initially, this Amazon is not a very big website, and this best sellers is not a very big website, guys. Okay. Based upon the customers, we are straight away saying that this is a very big website. Understood, guys? Any doubts on this? Hello?
No, Manas, it's clear.
Yes. What about you, Akash?
Yeah, clear.
Right. Yes, Surabhi, you have any doubts? Sorry, Kanchan?
No.
Yes. Kiran?
No, Manoj.
Okay. No need to learn about the three-tier architecture, guys. Just for your understanding, I said to you. Okay. You won't get this concept anywhere. If you are a developer, you will get it. Or if you are a database developer, you are going to get this three-tier architecture. Manoj, how do you know this? I'm a three-tier. Once upon a time, I'm a developer. I used to work on this. I'm a full stack developer previously. Okay, right. So, what is this incremental project, Manoj? Right. Incremental is nothing but initially, whenever Amazon has been started, right? Amazon project is developed. Are we going to use all these features, guys? Guys, I need yes or no. Okay, don't
No,
sit idle.
no.
Okay. Yes, if it is yes or no, no problem, guys. Okay. The thing is, if you speak out, then only you will get to know that okay, I said wrong, okay, I said right, okay. I need interaction, guys. Okay, right. So say your answer, unmute yourself, no problem in that. If it is right, if it is wrong, no problem. Okay, right. Okay, initially they are not going to develop all these things, guys. Why? Because they don't know that this project might be successful or not. Okay, in future this project might be successful, or this project might be a failure project. They don't know about these things. What they will do? They will do initial things. That means whatever the important items are there to be added in this project, they are going to add all the features in the Amazon, guys. Only important features to attract the customers. Okay, how they want to attract the customers? iPhone 17 Pro Max, iPhone 17, right? Now current market trending. Samsung S25, S25 Ultra, right? Now within 2 months, we are going to get summer. We need AC, right? And we need refrigerators. What they are going to do? They are going to promote ads on these things. If you get these things, they will definitely get to know that okay, this Amazon, this particular Amazon is very good. So that what we are doing, guys, based upon these products, we are purchasing on these websites. Right or wrong, guys? Initially, what we are doing, we are not we are not installing all the features. That means we are not developing all the features here. How we are developing? By a step by step. Okay, that is called as incremental process. Understood, guys? I will show you in real time. Okay, I will show you in real time also how we are doing, because theoretically I can explain you. How I can show you in practical way? We have to go through in Jira. Okay, it will take more than 20 days, guys, for you. Okay, I can promise on that. It will take more than 20 days. In 10 or less than 10 or 20, 12 days, we are going to start the Jira. Okay, from that onwards, from Jira onwards, we are going to do some practicals every day. Okay, I'm going to give you tasks, all those things. So you have to work on that and you have to show it. Okay, like this, we are going to work on all the things, writing the tasks, writing the features, right? I will give you some homeworks. You have to write all those things. You have to do it by yourself. I will explain today class, and tomorrow class you are going to show to. That's how it will work in my classes, right? And it is a project management framework. Okay, I will say about this thing, and this is not a required. This feature is not required. Okay, so it is a flexible process. How it is a flexible process, Manoj? In this, we are not going to get any pressure, guys. In this process, we are not going to get any pressure, okay, from the client end or any from the management. We are not going to get any pressure. What is our main pressure, guys? Initially, it is a time boxed events. Okay, in agile methodology, we are working in time box. What is time box, Manoj? That means every day we are working on some time, guys. Just consider 6 hours or 7 hours. In that 7 hours, 7 into just consider 10 days, guys. That means total 70 hours. Manoj, I'm not getting 70 hours or whatever you are saying. No worries, guys. I will explain you after. Tomorrow I will explain this thing very clear. Okay. In this time box, we are going to work in this 70 days, 70 hours. Based upon this 70 hours, we are going to pick some tickets. Okay. In this 70 hours, whatever we have completed the tickets, whatever we have agreed upon, we are going to complete all those things, guys. Okay. We are going to complete all those things and we are going to deliver to the clients. That is our main role in our agile methodology. Okay. Under agile methodology, okay, under agile methodology, we are having different types of frameworks, guys. Okay, different types of frameworks. Let me show you. The first one is Scrum framework. Second one is Kanban. The third one is APF. Okay, that is called as adaptive P in this is project. Adaptive project framework. And fourth one is TDD, that is called as a test driven development. Something is there, I forgot. Let me go test driven development, right? And some other all this lean, yes, popular framework lean. Previously many people used this lean. And coming to the sixth one, XP also many people used, that is called extreme programming. Okay, extreme programming. And right now we are using safe. Okay, safe 6.0. And not only this, there are some other also is there, but just need to know these frameworks, guys. But we are not using these frameworks. Okay, we are not using all these frameworks. Right now in the current market, we don't have all these frameworks. Okay, right. Initial days, just consider they are having 10 frameworks, guys. Okay, this circle is 100%, right?
Yes.
Yes, initially this circle is 100%. Now, whenever the agile methodology has been introduced, now each framework will get 10% of time, right or wrong?
Yes.
Each framework we are going to get 10%. Now, how we know that this percentage is increasing one by one to another, right? Just consider V6, sorry, V5 went to some restaurant, guys. Okay, I ordered something, Kanchan ordered something, and Hari ordered something, and Akash ordered something. Okay, what we are doing, guys, here as a friends, we are going to test each other, right? I ordered paneer. Okay, I gave to I have a bite and I gave to Hari. Hari has ordered mushroom, right? And Hari tasted mushroom and Hari passed to me, right? And I passed to each and everyone, right? Like that, we have shared all the food. Now, considering all these foods, okay, I liked mushroom curry. Okay, next priority, Kanchan ordered some kaju curry. Okay, Kaju curry is next priority, right? Now coming to all these things, if you or if you want to keep it in a list, which is the most effective, guys, in our dishes, mushroom is the most effective dish. Everyone likes this, right? Here also the same thing, guys. Everyone is using all these frameworks for different projects, right? For every framework, we are going to have different rules and regulations, right? Hari,
Yes, Manoj.
for every framework, we are going to have different frameworks. Sorry, different types of rules. But we are following all these rules, and we get to know that Scrum framework is having more advantage. Okay, Scrum framework is having more advantage. How, Manoj? Yes, I will show you in within short span of time. Agile frameworks. Let me show you in a diagrammatical way so that you will get to know. We're going to have a circular Agile frameworks. I have downloaded also. Give me a second, guys. Into that. Agile framework comparative. Yes, we got it here. See here, guys, this is the Agile methodology comparison, guys. So just consider here 56% here is called as Scrum, guys. 14% is hybrid. 8% is Scrum Ban. Okay, XP. 6% is others. 5% is Kanban. 3% is iterative development. 1% Spotify model. I never learned this. Okay, I don't know that also. 1% is lean. 1% is extreme program. Right, guys? Whenever we use all these frameworks, we get to know that Scrum is the one of the most effective frameworks. Okay. Right now, previously, okay, previously, the structure is like this, guys. Okay. Previously, the frameworks are like this. In 2020, in 2012, 2013, at that time, the percentage is like this. Now, in the current market, okay, now in the current market, if you compare, sorry, let me take in black color. If you compare these things, it is like this. Around 90 percentage, the red color is 90 percentage, guys. 90 percentage, the companies are using Scrum. Okay, 90 percentage, the companies are using Scrum. At around 5 to 6 percentage, the companies are using Kanban, and around 5 to 6 percentage, the companies are using Safe. Okay, guys. Now the current structure is like this. Okay, this yellow part is called as Scrum framework. Okay, this blue part is called as Safe. If you have any IT friends, you can ask them also, guys, how effectively you are working in Safe. Okay, this green color is called Kanban. Okay, guys. Right, guys. So right now in current market we are using only these three guys. Okay, without all these things, what we are doing guys, we don't have any other framework in the current market. Okay, now this is around 90 percentage. That means 90 percentages of companies are using Scrum framework only. At around 5 percentage, the companies are using Kanban. At around 5 percentage, the companies are using Safe. But we are not totally transforming into Safe guys. It will take more than 5+ years to transform into Safe. Okay, right now we are not following Safe completely guys. Okay, right now, hello.
Yes, Manoj.
Yes.
Yeah, right now the things are like we are not totally transforming into Safe guys. Okay, it is going to take some time, but we need to learn some initial things. Okay, if your company, whenever you join, if your company is using Safe, okay, they won't add you in the Safe projects guys. They will first check you, are you going to handle some teams in Scrum or not. They will give you some small teams. Are you working with some, are you effectively working in small teams or not. Okay, if you can't able to work with these small teams, you can't able to work with these large teams guys. Right now I'm a Safe Scrum Master 6.0 certified, and I'm maintaining more than 70 plus people in my current project. Okay, why? Because in this organization I'm working from past 4 years, right? From past 2 years I'm working as a Safe Scrum Master. How they have given me this 70 people straight away. The reason behind is, previously as a Scrum Master I maintained around 30-35 people in three teams guys. Okay, in three teams I maintained 35 people, and along with that 35 people I have taken another project. In that project I have maintained two teams. That is around 50 people I have maintained in Scrum project. Total five teams. That's the reason they have trusted on me, so that this Manoj can easily handle in this Safe. Okay, I have done the certification. At the time I have a 5.0 guys. Safe 5.0 certification I have, but I have given in the organization also. But what they have done is they haven't agreed on that. Okay, okay. Initially we are going to check you. Right, they have done all these things. Okay, they have a trust. Initially, straight away they haven't given 70 people guys. They have given me 40 people to me. Okay, they have given 40 people to me, and they checked me. Okay, this person, so and so person is capable to work in Safe or not. Okay, based upon all the things they are going to give you the teams guys. Without checking you, they won't give you Safe team guys. Understood? Any doubts?
Manoj, I have a question.
Yes.
Since looking at the pie chart, you said that around 5 to 6%, let's assume 10% at the worst scenario. Even if we do a safe certification in future after getting a job, or
Mhm.
even for Scrum also, what will be the future opportunities of certifying on safe?
Yes, in future, we are going to have only Safe projects. Safe projects is nothing but we are using Scrum only, guys. Safe is nothing but it is not another project, guys. Sorry, not another framework. Okay, it is
Okay.
the upgradation of Scrum project. Okay, but you are going to work in Scrum project only.
No,
Okay,
fine.
but yeah, the themes are very big.
Okay, then if in current technology we cannot say for how many years the IT companies might depend on Scrum framework, because earlier we were in waterfall methodology which was not successful and they moved to Scrum. So in future, why don't Safe can replace the Scrum framework?
Yes, the things are like uh, how the people are right now working is, just consider we are delivering the projects in 2 years guys. Okay, by using small teams. Okay, by using Scrum project. Okay, Scrum framework. Okay, now here we are delivering the people want to deliver the project in 2 years only. Okay, by using Scrum framework. Okay, Scrum framework with integration of safe with large teams. Okay, just consider in this is the Amazon project. They want to deliver initial projects. Initially they want to deliver small things. Okay, small modules with 100 CR. Okay, they get to know it. But what they are doing, if they use this Scrum framework, they will definitely get the success, right? How they will get the success, I will show you. Now what they are doing, guys, in safe framework, they want to deliver the project before 2 years only with large teams that using safe, so that they are going to get more income they are going to get income revenue more faster. Okay, ultimately we don't have a safe framework, guys, in Jira. Okay, we have only Scrum framework. Okay, and what are there in safe, guys? We are using PI plannings. Okay, PI planning, that means a large team, guys. Okay, in here we are going to deliver work more frequently than Scrum framework. That's it. That is the major changes, guys. Understood, Hari?
Yes, Mona, but I still have a little confusion.
Okay.
See, my question, I'll keep it in a simpler way.
Okay.
When product is being delivered to customer using Scrum with the help of large teams, instead of depending on Scrum, why can't we adopt safe methodology?
No, that is the thing. There is no safe methodology base. Safe is nothing but just consider. Okay, let
Okay.
me show you my course context. Okay, so this is my course context, guys. Okay, so this is my course context, right? So
Okay.
from Agile methodology, okay, from Agile methodology, we are working up to here, up to Confluence. Okay, what we are
Okay.
doing, guys, this is Scrum framework, right? Now what
Okay.
they are doing, they are just including safe. That means in safe also we are doing all these things. Okay, but in Scrum what we did, we did with the small teams. Okay, but here they are doing with the large teams. What is the major changes? The changes are here the investors are investing 100 CR and they want to check the initial project first. Is my project is well developed or not? If I deploy this project, we can easily get our returns or not. In safe project we are doing it, and if this project is getting success, what they are doing, guys, they are going to use this project. If not, they are going to sell this project. Okay, but coming to here in safe, what they are doing, guys, they are going to develop whole project with a success rate previously only. Okay, before 1 year only, and they are developing all the modules at a time in safe project with large teams. Okay, they are developing the projects with huge number. Okay,
So you mean to say safe is just in the initial phase, like Scrum when it is initially started in 2010?
yes,
Okay.
that is the same thing, but I don't suggest people to do safe, guys, because if you don't know how to handle 20 people, the maintaining of the 70 people is very risky, guys. You can't able to secure your job. Okay, if you want to do the safe certification also, that is an advantage for you. But initially they will give you small teams only. But my suggestion is try to master Scrum, guys. I will explain you and I will give you spoon feeding to you guys. Okay, try to master this. Okay, then only you can easily understand this. You can understand the safe. Why? Because the continuation of Scrum is safe. Okay,
Yeah, understood.
yes, simple. Yes, any doubts, guys?
No, I'm good.
Okay, what about you, Akshay?
Manoj, is it fine if I keep asking questions in between if you have any concern or any issue?
No worries, no worries. I will definitely answer your all